Hello dear friends, today we had heavy rain in Bengurir and it really rained cats and dogs. Yes, we use this expression in English to mean that it rained too heavily or torrentially. زعما الاكسبريشن كنستعملو في اللغة الإنجليزية باش نقولو راه الشتا كتصب باش نقولو راه الشتا صبات بزاف. In Arabic, in Moroccan دارجة كنقولو الشتا خيط من السما. And in English we say, it's really raining cats and dogs. Wow, maybe it's raining camels today in Bengurir. Wow, maybe it's been raining camels today in Bengurir because there was very heavy rain. This heavy rain that occurred today really led to flooding in many areas and neighborhoods in our city. Lead means cause زي ما كتسبب okay cause, so it caused flooding in many areas in our cities. زعما بزاف البلايص في المدينة ديالنا زعما it caused flooding زعما تسببت في فيضان. and neighborhoods هما الحومات okay neighborhood is الحومة. There was very bad and deafening thunder and lightning. زعما كان واحد البرق كان واحد الرعد thunder الرعد اوكي مجهد بزاف و deafening زعما يصم الأذان كي تسمع بزاف بجد. and lightning is البرق okay. and we Muslims we have a surah in Quran, in the Holy Quran, that is called Ar-Rad, Surah Ar-Rad. And in the 13th verse of this surah Ar-Rad, Allah say, and the thunder exalts Allah with praise of him, and the angels as well from fear of him. And in Arabic, ويسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته. This is really a very beautiful verse. I would like also to tell you that this heavy rain that lashed in the center of Morocco today, the 8th of April 2023, caused flooding, paralyzing traffic in many places. Paralyzing traffic means زعما هي توقفات إعاقة حركة المرور okay. The authorities here mobilized all their staff to repair the damages and clear up roads and the blocked drains. There were no reported deaths of people زعما ما كانش شي خسائر بشرية, and that was really a great news. وهذا كان خبر مزيان. As you see here in Bushan River, the debris is carried and flashed down by rainwater. Lots of people gathered near bridges to watch and take videos and pictures. Some drivers had strong cuts to cross bridges while the water is running 20 centimeters above their height. And this shouldn't really happen, as sometimes water is working very hard down. هادشي مخصوص يوقع لأن بالمرات الماء كيكون خدام لتحت بواحد الشكل قوي. And can erode the bridge poles, ويقدر يتاكلوا هذوك البولز ديال البريدج, هذوك الأعمدة الخرسانية, and make them very weak to collapse under the lightest load on them. Listen to the water here, is tremendously making a loud sound and is very fast to carry heavy things and even trunks of trees and maybe cars. And this is why people have to be careful, and it's one of the most dangerous things that you can do in your life if you think that you can cross a flooding river like this. Finally, I'd like to teach you about types of rains. نعلمكم انواع ديال المطر اللي عندنا اوكي اللي كيكونوا انواع ديال المطر اللي كيتساقط. So we have, generally speaking, we have rain اللي هو المطر بشكل عام rain, and we have snow هو rain water that is frozen into ice crystals and falling light white flakes. Sleet and hail هو تبروري. Sleet and hail, what is the difference? Sleet occurs during the cold weather, هو التبروري اللي كيطيح في cold weather في الجو البارد, and hail اللي وقع اليوم هو التبروري اللي طاح اليوم. So pellets of frozen rain which fall in showers from the clouds. وكيكون في summer months during a thunderstorm. كيوقع غالبا في summer months يعني الشهور الصيفية وكيكون في واحد العاصفة سريعة. The last one is drizzle. Drizzle اللي هو light rain falling in very fine drops. هو كنقولو زعما غير كتنشنش، الشتا غير كتنشنش. اوكي انا sorry اخر حاجة بغيت نعلمكم اليوم اللي هي some idioms، زعما بعض العبارات المجاز اللي كتستعمل في اللغة الإنجليزية وفيها كلمة rain. So for example in English we say، نرجع لكم لهذا المثال اللي درنا اليوم، هو rain cats and dogs. When we say it's raining cats and dogs هي زعما كتصب الشتا بزاف. And in Morocco we say شتا خيط من السما. Number 2 هي come rain or shine. هاد come rain or shine كنستعملوها زعما whatever happens، زعما ما عرفت شنو يوقع ضروري غندير هاد الحاجة. So we say for example I'm going to join you come rain or shine. أنا غادي نلتحق بكم وخا ما عرفت شنو يوقع come rain or shine، زعما غندير المستحيل باش نلتحق بكم. Thank you so much for following me today on this video. I hope you have learned something new. There was no very bad damage to the infrastructure of our city, and alhamdulillah no people were killed in this flood. Thank you so much and see you next time. Have a good day.